What if your job disappears in the next few years? Not because of a human, but because of AI. This isn't a future prediction anymore. It's already happening. So the real question is, are you next? AI tools like ChatGPT and automation systems are getting insanely good fast. They can now write emails and articles, create images and videos, analyze data in seconds, even write code. Companies are already using AI to save time and cut costs. And yes, some jobs are being replaced. Let's be real, some jobs are more vulnerable than others. High-risk roles, data entry, customer support, basic content writing, repetitive office tasks. Why? Because AI is best at repetition, speed, pattern recognition. If your job is predictable, AI can probably do it. But here's the part most people miss. AI isn't replacing everything. Jobs that are safer, creative roles, design, storytelling, jobs requiring human interaction, teachers, therapists, skilled trades, electricians, mechanics, strategic thinking roles. AI struggles with real-world unpredictability, emotional intelligence, complex decision-making. Here's the honest answer. AI won't just replace jobs, it will change them. Think about it like this. The internet didn't destroy all jobs, it created new ones. Same thing is happening now. People who use AI will replace people who don't. Instead of fearing AI, learn to use it. Start with understanding tools like ChatGPT, automating boring tasks, learning new skills that AI can't easily replace. The goal isn't to compete with AI, it's to work with it. So, will AI take your job? Maybe, but more likely, someone using AI will. Like what you saw? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.